Hey guys, good morning. It's 9:30 in the morning. So the plan for today is first have breakfast, then maybe do some local sightseeing here in just two places, maybe the chocolate factory, and then head back towards Goa. First we'll be moving towards Cochin by bus, and from there we have a flight to Goa. So that's it. Yeah, so please stay tuned because we'll be sharing the expenses at the end of the video. It is time to leave this beautiful place. The place that we were staying was the Bluebell Resort. The rooms are very affordable. The food is also very affordable in here. If you all ever come to Munnar, please do I recommend this place very much. The place is very good. The views are also very good from here. So the room that we were staying was with balcony. It costed around 2,500. With there is also the additional point is they have pick up and drop facilities from the main road. The road is very steep, so if you are getting your bikes, please be careful. But otherwise, they provide pick up and drop services from the main road. Yeah, so I forgot to mention they also provide breakfast complimentary with the room. So every day it's from 8:30 to 9:30. If you all want to stay in this place, maybe I'll provide a contact number in the description below. So we got a bus back to Kochi now. We'll be reaching around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. We really had an awesome time in Munnar. The journey was just beautiful. The places, the landscapes, is just mesmerizing. And since we are very hungry, we thought that we'll have some food first and then go roaming around in Ernakulam. So we decided to visit Lulu Mall, which is I've heard that it's the largest mall in India. So we did not want to miss on that. So we are done for today. So the plan is now to go back to our rooms. So good morning guys, another fresh day. We have reached Kochi airport and now we'll be flying back to Goa. So this is the final part of our journey. We are heading towards Goa. We booked a flight from Goa to Bangalore, Bangalore to Goa. So we are staying in Bangalore for around 3 hours. There's a layover of 3 hours. So we'll meet you inside. Since we did not buy any souvenirs from Munnar, we decided to buy some fridge magnets from here itself. So guys, here we have touched on at Goa International Airport. We'll just collect our luggages and meet you all outside. Yeah, so we reached to Goa now and we are going back home. I hope you all like the video still now of this Kerala series. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Also we will be doing a detailed video on the itinerary and the budget required for maybe 2 or 3 days. The video will be coming up soon. That's it for this video. See you all in the next video. Bye.